स्वागत है आपका डॉक्टर सौरभ से क्लासेस में। हम लोग सॉल्व करें आइजर एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट और उसका बायोलॉजी का सीरीज़ का सोल्यूशन हम लोग सॉल्व करें 2025 और उसमें हम लोग आ चुके हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 में। तो चलिए सॉल्व कर लेते हैं। टू डबल heterozygous plants derived from two different pairs of two breeding parents of unknown genotype produce gametes in the proportion as given below. It's been given, as you can see. So which one of the following options correctly represent the genotype? So given F1 genotype, that is PPQQ, gametes formed are 35%, that is PQ, 35%, then 15%, and then 15%. So we will test the option like R1 being given gametes PQ only, then R2 for this gametes PQ only. So one allele each from R1 and R2. So F1 will be PPQQ. Okay, now let's form F1 gametes like crossing PQ multiplied by PQ. Okay, so possible combinations will be what in this case? So the possible combinations will be PQ multiplied by PQ. So that is P from PQ and Q from PQ. So that is PQ. Okay. Now again P from PQ and Q from PQ. So that will bring P and Q. Again P from PQ and Q from PQ. So that's PQ. And then finally P from PQ and Q from PQ. So that is PQ. So if PQ and PQ are most frequent parental combination and recombinants like PQ and PQ are less frequent, that means linkage is partial. I told 35%. Parental, this one is also parental, this one is recombinant, and this one is recombinant. So matches cross 1 gamete frequency. Okay, cross 2 similarly if you see for this one, then cross 2 again like genotype. So here 35%, 35%, 15%, 15%. So then R3 R4 will be looking, and R3 R4 it's R3 for PQ only and R4 for PQ. So PQ from P3, so P4 from R4. So that is expected F1 gamete. So it's parental, recombinant. So here if this and this are dominant in proportion, that is 35%, and the recombinants are less frequent 15%, then this again confirms partial linkage. So both crosses and gamete ratio perfectly match. Okay, so therefore my correct option is option A is the correct answer. If you have any further explanation, you can ask us on the provided number.